I now have people asking me, how much money do you make? Is this easy to do? And it's really simple. You can make up to $150 an hour, if not a little bit more than that, and sometimes in less time. I truly enjoy what I do. Hi, my name is Monica Artiaga. I am an LSS student, and what brought me to this point in my life was for many years, I worked retail in my younger days. I was making $3.35 an hour, right? And I'm talking years ago. It wasn't until I took an office job much later in life. I had been an office assistant for 12 long years, and I decided in 2014 that I had enough. So I quit that job. It took me another 4 years to finally figure out what I wanted to do with my life. I wanted something with more flexibility, something that made me more money. And with that said, I ended up taking a notary class through my city to become a notary public. It wasn't until I say about 2 months later that a notary approached me and had some loan docs that she needed done. I told her, I have no experience. I'm just a notary, I think you need somebody with experience. And she says, no. She says, no, you can do it. She says, all I need is your stamp and your signature. So I thought, why not? So I met with her, and she quickly guided me through this maze of these confusing documents and pretty much told me where to sign and stamp. And after that experience, I decided, no, I need to educate myself. I need to look into something that will help me become more successful if I want to be a notary signing agent one day. And it wasn't until I started seeing Mark Wills on my Instagram feed almost on a daily basis that inspired me. Last year, I met Mark Wills in person, and the energy he brings, the value to this career, this knowledge he has, I thought I can learn from that guy. So I decided last year to take the loan signing system course, and I am so glad I did. It has been an eye-opener. I am more confident when I walk into appointments. I know what I'm doing. I know it's not just stamp and sign. No, it's much more than that. And I just want to say, this has been a game changer for me. I now have people asking me, is this easy to do? How much money do you make? What do I need to do? And it's really simple. As long as you put the effort in to learn, you'll be successful. I am 58 years old. My husband's looking to retire in about a year and a half. I'm going to keep doing until I can't do what I do anymore. This is the course to take. If you want to become a successful loan signing agent, LSS is there for you. The LSS family is there for you to answer any questions you may have. It's a community that wants to see you succeed. And I'm so happy I made this career change. I hope the story inspires you. No matter what age you are, it's never too late in life to start a new chapter.